morning. I've got crazy high grade hair today. Crazy. I'm just getting ready. I've put my really cute swimsuit on today. I'm obsessed. I've got you like on the side because I need to finish getting ready because I want to go grab some breakfast from the Bayliner Diner, which is an excellent name of a I need to talk. Excellent name because it's like Bayliner Diner. I find it really satisfying. But we need to sun cream up because I'm English, not Floridian, and I will likely burn if I don't. So we're sun creaming it up this morning before we go anywhere. I think I'm just going to go to the pool, but knowing me, that may turn into let's go to Volcano Bay this morning. In fact, it will probably turn into let's go to Volcano Bay this morning. Right, we're going to use you as a mirror because it's really hard to spray your own back and actually know you're getting it. It's a bit of a gymnastics regime really to get it on there, because although I've got the spray one, you do still have to rub it in, so it's like a hug yourself moment and rub it in. I can't believe I'm doing this on the internet. But I wanted to say hi before I forget because I'm not going to take the camera out with me to the pool or to Volcano Bay, whichever one I end up going to. You'll be in this, so I will film what I can / want / remember to. And yeah, that's about all I've got to say today. Today's my rest day. I've just done a little Walmart order, which includes a duffel bag. I figured that was a good idea in place of buying an extra suitcase because I don't need a second suitcase at home. So I was thinking a duffel bag I could get away with using as a gym bag, which would mean, so I'm just going to do the midriff, which would mean I'm buying something useful, which means that mum and dad can't complain about it, essentially, and tell me I'm buying useless things or unnecessary things. So bought a gym bag. It's going to act as hand luggage on the way home. Yeah, right, I'm just going to finish up my sun cream and then go down to Bayliner to get some breakfast and then head on out somewhere to either to pool or to Volcano Bay. We can't decide, so I'll see you when I get somewhere. It's loud and I'm on my phone, but I've just got breakfast. I've got a ham and cheese croissant and a Danish and the mothership. They don't do this on the refillable ones, like the flavour that I like. They do the Tim Waters, but they don't do the blueberry pomegranate. So I treated myself to a bottle of it for the day. Gotta make it last. I'm gonna eat my breakfast now by the pool at Cabana, and then I'm gonna head out of the pool and go over to Volcano Bay once I've eaten. Yeah, that's my plan. And the sunshine is glorious. I'm so content in the sun. I love it. Also, this background is just stunning. I love it here so much. Cabana Bay literally is. Cabana Bay and Volcano Bay combined are literally a tropical like getaway. It's the best thing. I love it. back from Volcano Bay. I've showered. It's a little bit later than I wanted it to be, but yeah. It is 3:15 and I'm about to head out to get some food. I think I might try and find somewhere in City Walk to eat because I've not done any City Walk yet. And then we'll head into the parks. I can't decide which park. I might have a look at the wait times and then decide, but I'm just gonna show you my outfit because I look really cute. I've gone for my little denim dress and I'm wearing my Crocs because they're so comfy. So I'm gonna wear the Crocs, and then I have got a little Hogwarts headband on just because I've washed my hair and I can't be bothered to plait it or dry it. So I'm just gonna leave it to go a bit wild in the heat. We'll see how that goes. It should hopefully dry quite nice and wavy because when I step outside in Florida it dries within seconds, so that's my plan. Yeah, I'm gonna head out now because I also think I've had my Walmart delivery come to the front desk. So if that's come, I will then go and bring that back up here, and then I can go and then I know it's here and what I've got. So let's go.
Please, watch your step.
I was spotting City Walk. I was over there in the sun, but it was hot, and I've got my bow. So I'm going to try my bow now because I found bend the bow, and I've got bow buttons. Let me sit you there so you're a bit low, and we'll try the bow together because I'll set it up for the Instagram stories as well, so I can do it all at once basically. There we go. I've got the camera set up, I've got the phone set up. This is like dual vlogging, but I'm gonna try the chicken one first because it looks spicier. Also, can we just take a minute for American lemonade because I don't feel like I could exist in Florida without it. Oh, I love bao so much. This looks hard to eat, so, and I've only got a little bit of time left on that, so we're just gonna dive straight in. So you get a picture of them. Never mind. That's not spicy at all. It's quite pleasant. I'll finish this and I'll be back for the camera when I try the duck one. You, however, couldn't stay there because I also need to give you my collective thoughts on Happily Ever After while we're here. Because honestly, I was underwhelmed. I feel like it had been so hyped up that I was expecting some level of extra wow. But in its defense, it was affected by weather. Tinkerbell didn't fly. The fireworks just seem to be a lot smaller than the ones in Enchantment, and whether that's just the fireworks are smaller, the Happily Ever After, and you're supposed to focus more on the projections, I don't know. Never seen it before, can't compare, but the weather definitely affected it. And as a Peter Pan girly, we were very unimpressed with the lack of Tinkerbell. That's good on the internet, isn't it? are almost most pleasant. Right, number 2. They're really like filled, aren't they? Like they're good. I can see why people order more than just 2 though, because 2 is like standard, but there's not much. But I'm not that hungry. I never am in Florida. Anyway, let me. That just tastes like a Chinese. Tastes like duck pancakes. So, it's good though. I might prefer this one to the chicken. Is this good content? I never know. It's probably really awful content, but I'm uniquely interested when it comes to content creation, so you get to enjoy a bit. Seconds from getting into Studio 5 and changed my mind, and now I'm walking to Hagrid's because why wouldn't you want to walk to Hagrid's? Oh, I love it here. It's so sunny out at the moment. It is gorgeous, and I say I'm currently gonna head round to Hagrid's because it's, as I was about to get in to the studios, it was like Hagrid's is a 60-minute wait. I was like, oh, that's quite low. I'll go get in the queue, enjoy some sunshine in the queue for Hagrid's, and go see some magical creatures. Ride in Hagrid's, and it was posted as 90 minutes by the time I got there, which was annoying, over the 60, but I single rider queued it and waited 50 minutes in the single rider queue. So it wasn't exactly a walk-on like Transformers was the other day, but at least it was quicker than 90 minutes. I'm now going into Poseidon's Fury because I've never done it, and it's due to close soon, so I figure let's go see what this is about. But it's really pretty here, let me show you. Like, look at all the architecture. It's really nice. I think it'd be a shame if they get rid of all of the artwork and stuff, like the building. But we'll see what the show's like to see if it seems worth it. But apparently it starts in like 20 minutes. But I think it's a show. I could be completely wrong, but I'll let you know.
Without further ado, I would like to welcome you all to the newest town. Why are the doors closing? Wait, watch the door! Freeze, the doors are closing! Somebody!
You should have heeded your master and escaped while you could. Now you will never leave.
Never.
For this, you find Poseidon's trident.
Okay, look, we're here on a tour, so we don't know anything about a trident or Poseidon.
Poseidon!
Okay, but name's there.
Immortality!
Really
Sleeps in this tomb, hidden from my eyes. And soon
What is your wish? I shall not ask again.
We get a wish. We wish to go home. We don't want to go back.
Alas, it is beyond my power to grant you passage back to your world.
But aren't you magic?
The Dark One has sealed the doors to this chamber with a locking spell impervious to magic.
So what does that mean
The
for...
way home is now impossible.
Impossible? No, you're a goddess, and I've got a lot of people here, so...
All is not lost.
Oh, okay, good.
While I cannot help you back to the surface,
Sure, anything.
I can provide you with safe passage deeper into this temple.
Totally know what we do right now, but the goddess brought us here, and I'm sure she's not going to just, I don't know, leave us all hanging or anything. I'm okay. Not that anybody asked or seemed concerned, but I'm okay. We're going to stay away from that and away from that. This has got to be it, I think. Question, do you guys think this looks like the door from the other room? Yeah. Great, that's what I thought. So in case it's a door, I think we should check it out. I mean, it's got Poseidon, it's got the trident, it's got emojis. I don't know how to read that. That's okay. You on your phone, even you reach and have a look at keyboard, maybe? No? You do? That would be awesome. That would be awesome, actually. You know what? If you don't know what to do, you should ask for help. Goddess! Goddess! You're right. Repeat after me. Goddess! Goddess! Did she ghost me? Yes. It happens to me a lot. That's okay. We're gonna be fine. Like I said, I just feel like I should take a second and say I'm sorry. I mean, you guys trusted me to be able to lead a tour for you as good as the professor did, and instead I got us into a lot of trouble, and I'm just really sorry for letting everybody down.
No. You've done well, Taylor.
Who are you?
You have brought back something very dear to me.
Trident? But the trident belongs...
Follow my voice and bring that to me. Fear not, for I am Spider. I have waited centuries for this moment. Now I will destroy you, them, and your precious trident.
What did I do?
They are my protection. I am Volcano, and the power is mine.
It's the temple of Poseidon! Whoa. Hey, I've got the trident! Oh, look out! Ah! Is everybody okay? Oh, it's stuck!
By the power of the Dark Ones, I order you, give me that trident!
Over my dead body!
With pleasure.
Oh, wait, no! Ah! Poseidon, a little help, please!
Poseidon cannot help you now.
What? Whoa! Poseidon, buddy! Oh, wait, the trident! Wait, no.
Give me that trident!
No!
Give it to me now!
No, I'd rather die!
Then die!
Because nobody... Hey!
Now!
Don't worry, everyone. I got this.
Twins.
Come on, David. Come on. I don't think so! I'm coming, Poseidon!
Give me that trident!
You do not scare me! You want this? Take it from him! Yeah!
I have returned, Darkadon! Now you will pay for your murderous ways, Poseidon! I will destroy you! I will destroy all! Beginning! Quickly! I'm bound to safe return to your world! Farewell! You are under the protection of Lord Poseidon! Now go!
love Poseidon's Fury. Everyone told me it was cheesy and rubbish. I loved it. I thought it was great. I filmed it on my phone. It's the future me. Put it in. Currently walking through Switzerland because I've been told I must try Cat in the Hat. So I'm off to ride Cat in the Hat. It's only a 5-minute wait, so let's see what the hype is. I'm intrigued, to say the very least, at least. But yeah, let's go see some cats in hats.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my head.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those.
Red Hulk. That's terrifying alone. Like, terrifying alone. I just, yeah, getting on it, it was like, why am I choosing to do this? I felt like I was more nervous getting on that than I was Velocicoaster the other day. I mean, I have no intention of doing Velocicoaster again because alone it was horrific. But right now I need to find some food because I am starving and also really shaky from Hulk. So I'm currently walking through Marvel Superhero Island and I will see what kind of food I can find over this way. Well, I finally found food, but I've eaten most of it because by the time I found food I was really hungry. I came back to my hotel and I've got chicken tenders and fries. I'm eating in bed. What is going on with the lighting? There we go. And they're so good. They might be better than Disney chicken tenders. I know. I know. Who is she? What's she saying? Though, will you stop that lighting, please? Thank you. Thank you. Though it might not be a fair assessment because by the time I got this, I was starving. So anything would be good. But I'm currently sat in bed watching Visits of Waverly Place while I eat chicken tenders and fries. If that doesn't scream thriving, I don't know what does. It's currently 8:43. Going to finish eating my dinner, and then I'm going to read some book, and then I'm going to go to bed because tomorrow's a very long day. Tomorrow's a very big day, Pascal. I'm going to Disney, but not just to Disney. I'm going to Animal Kingdom, stopping off at Epcot, and then going to Hollywood Studios. And we're going to see Fantasmic, and we're going to ride Flight of Passage. And it's going to be a good day. A really good day. So, I'm going to sign off. Because I need my sleep. Oh my god, this food. I'm sorry, I can't stop eating. I'm literally starving. But thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to see more videos. And I will see you next time for a Disney day. Good night. Come on everybody, get your vlog on. It's a good vlog. Subscribe.